So in one of my previous videos, I showed you the difference between a true 4K resolution and a upscaled 4K resolution. I also added in a bit of a Starvis 2 sensor magic in that video. And in case if you have noticed it, you would know that the Starvis 2 sensor works exceptionally well in low light conditions since it's designed for that purpose, and catching number plates at night is its specialty. So if you're in the market looking for that perfect dash camera which comes with a Starvis 2 sensor to get that ultimate video quality at night, you have arrived at the right video. So in this video, I'll be showing you the top 4 dash cameras which come with a Starvis 2 sensor, in which you must be investing your money so that you get the best out of your dash cam. Let's get started. So starting with probably the cheapest dash camera in the world which comes with a Starvis 2 sensor. This is the VIOFO A119 Mini 2, and as the name suggests, this is a very small dash cam and it comes within the palm of my hand. This contains the IMX675 sensor and it is capable of shooting 2560 into 1440p resolution at 60 frames per second, or otherwise it can also shoot 2592 into 1944p at 30 frames per second. It also supports HDR footage. It's got built-in GPS, it's got 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it's got voice control and whatnot. All this package comes at a super cool price of about 15 to 16,000 rupees. Yes, this is the cheapest price at which you can buy a Starvis 2 sensor. The only drawback of the Mini 2 is that it's only single channel, which means you don't get a rear camera. Other than that, this camera is simply perfect if your main priority is to record only the front of the car. That being said, let's move on to the next dash camera. This is arguably the best dash camera under the price bracket of 20,000 rupees. And you might have guessed it, I'm talking about the 70mm A810 4K HDR dash cam. So this is a dual channel dash camera, which means you get both front and the rear camera recording. The front camera supports a true 4K resolution of 3840 into 2160p. The front camera has a Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. It supports HDR, it has built-in GPS, it also has ADAS, it has a 3-inch screen at the back. The rear camera records at 1080p resolution, also with HDR. So considering the price point of about 19,999, which is 20,000 rupees, this is the most approachable Starvis 2 sensor backed dual channel dash camera in the Indian market scenario. I have made lots of detailed videos on the A810. You can check that out in the description. I'll give you a link right there. So if your maximum budget stretches up to 20,000 rupees and you cannot go beyond it, I definitely recommend the 70mm A810 because of its dual channel capabilities, because of its native 4K resolution, and the cherry on top, the Starvis 2 sensor. Moving on to the third dash camera, well, this is also a recently released dash cam, the VIOFO A229 Plus. This comes in both dual and triple channel variant, and you know the speciality of this dash cam, both front and the rear cameras get a Starvis 2 sensor, and both front and the rear camera record at 2K resolution. Yes, this camera comes at a price of about 25 to 26,000 rupees. It has dual Starvis 2 IMX675 sensors. It supports 2K resolution on both front and the rear cameras. It's got HDR, it's got voice control, it's got quad mode GPS, and also supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi. So I'm talking about the dual channel variant, but you can also buy a triple channel variant wherein you get a separate interior camera as well. And also the interior cam has a previous generation Starvis sensor and it supports a resolution of about 1080p, that is full HD resolution. So that's dual Starvis 2 plus a Starvis sensor, 2K plus 2K plus 1080 full HD for the triple channel variant. The triple channel variant may come at a price of about 30 to 31,000 rupees. So if you want to get the best out of both front and the rear cameras, the A229 Plus dual or triple channel variant is definitely the camera you should be looking for and gives you one of the finest video qualities we have seen till date. Talking about the finest video quality, the fourth and the last dash camera which I want to talk to you about is probably the world's best dash cam. Yes, I have already made a dedicated video on this, and I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 Pro dual or the triple channel variant. The front camera supports a native 4K resolution supported by a Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. The rear camera has a IMX675 sensor, and the interior camera, same as the Plus variant, supports the older gen Starvis sensor with a 1080p resolution. It supports all the bells and whistles of the same Plus variant. It also comes with an extra CPL filter. So it's basically a 4K plus 2K plus Full HD for the triple channel and a 4K plus 2K for the dual channel variant. The prices vary from about 35,000 rupees for the dual channel and about 40,000 rupees for the triple channel variant of the A229 Pro. Now this is a super premium segment and it's a very pricey dash cam. I do not disagree with you on that, but if you have no limits on your budget and you want to have the finest which is available, the A229 Pro triple channel is the dash cam you need to go for. This is sort of the iPhone for the dash cameras. So these were the top 4 dash cams which come with a Starvis 2 sensor, varying from a price range of 15,000 rupees up to 40,000 rupees. You can go with any of them and you won't go wrong anytime. Also do note that I have made detailed videos on each of these dash cameras. You can find all the links to those videos in the description below, be it their unboxing, their features, their detailed video quality review, the number plate readability. All the videos are right there. In case if you haven't watched it, click down on the description and watch the video to get some more info on the dash cam which you are interested about. Also, if you do have any doubts or queries, do write that down in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if this video has helped you out, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash that like button before you move on to the next video. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.